In today's video, I'll be talking about one of my favorite low cap gems, Lossless. I believe this project can make a lot of people life-changing money, and I'm extremely bullish on it. So in today's video, I will cover the latest updates, the latest partnership, and the latest news from Lossless. Also, at the end of this video, we are going to take a look at the chart and we're going to talk about some price targets. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. Also, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free Bitcoin on every single purchase. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I invested $50,000 into 5 low cap gems, and Lossless was one of them. I'm extremely bullish on this project, and the more research I do, the deeper I dig, the more excited I get about this project. The first big update that I want to talk about is Lossless and Harmony 1. Lossless announced today that it will be supporting Harmony 1. Lossless expands L1 coverage and enters the realm of Harmony 1. From now on, teams building on Harmony can integrate Lossless standard to protect native tokens and utilize lossless on-chain security parameters. Also, Harmony support is coming to the token minter. In my opinion, this is a win-win for both coins. Personally, I do hold both of them, Harmony 1 and Lossless, in my portfolio. So I'm excited for this partnership. But it gets even better. Lossless is going beyond DeFi and they are entering the metaverse. Hopefully this big news will cause the price to rally even more. Lossless has partnered up with P2E, crowd led by AAG Ventures, adopting the Lossless standard. GameFi and P2E grow fast and they need security as well, and that is what Lossless will provide. This is a great partnership in my opinion. So over the last week or so, we have seen a lot of metaverse projects have humongous pumps. Some have gone up 200%, but some have gone up over 2,000%. In my opinion, this is great for Lossless. They are finally entering the metaverse space and they'll be able to use their expertise to provide top-notch security for these metaverse projects. In my opinion, this is definitely a plus for Lossless. But Lossless is not stopping there. They have added another partner to the Lossless ecosystem, and it is OMe, a NFT-based marketplace equipped with features of a social network. So as of today, Lossless is happy to announce that they have secured yet another partnership. So OMe will integrate Lossless token security standards on their platform. Lossless is definitely standing out as the leader when it comes to security in the crypto space. They have also added another advisor to the team. Let's check him out. Julian, I'm not even going to attempt to say his last name, but he's the core member at Curve Finance. Also, he's the mastermind behind Rect.News. He has joined Lossless as a product advisor. Julian will help stress test the Lossless protocol, make it more efficient and resilient. This is a great addition in my opinion. Hopefully Julian will use his expertise and help Lossless grow even more. One other partnership that I want to talk about before we go over and make some price predictions is the Lossless partnership with Peoples. Peoples is transforming the fan club experience through tokenization and NFTs. Lossless is happy to be their security provider. Lossless is expanding very fast and they are constantly growing their ecosystem. And now let's go over to the chart so we can make some price predictions. So when we take a look at Lossless, it is currently down just over 1% and the price is $1.38. The market cap is just over 30 million, which in my opinion is extremely low for such an amazing project. When we take a look at the 7-day chart, you will see that we have slightly pulled back from around $1.80, $1.90 to around $1.38. But we have slowly been leveling off, which is a great sign in my opinion. Now let's look at the 1-month chart. As you can see, this month Lossless had a major run up, literally going from 30 cents to over $2.60. but now it has slightly pulled back and is consolidating around the $1.40, $1.50 mark. I believe it is going to continue to consolidate for another couple of days before we start trending even higher. In my opinion, this is definitely a great sign for Lossless. And when we take a look at the 3-month chart, you will see that Lossless has a major run up, then consolidates for about 2 weeks before it starts running once again. And now we are in that consolidation phase once again. And I'm expecting Lossless to go even higher in the next couple of weeks. So for the month of November, I can see the price of Lossless going over $5 per coin. And in my opinion, that is a very conservative price prediction. But long term, I'm extremely bullish on this project, and I think the sky is the limit. I can easily see the price going over $30, $40, and possibly even $50 per coin. I'm a firm believer in this project, and I'm definitely holding for the long term and those massive gains that I believe are about to come. So right now at the price of $1.30, $1.40, I think it is a great price to enter if you plan on holding long term and if you plan on making those massive gains. But do not take my word for it. I am not a financial advisor, and do not take this as financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before you invest in any project. Personally, I am extremely bullish on Lossless, and I will be holding for the long term. But in the next month or two, Lossless can definitely skyrocket and give me massive profits. So personally, I feel very comfortable holding Lossless in my portfolio. And as always, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and let me know your opinion on Lossless. And most importantly, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.